Blay sibon pibara kena ke video kwamta an pentip siapi ya ka scholarship kya ki khana ki basyong haka class 8 walaupun mi ka Government of Meghalaya Directorate of Educational Research and Training Meghalaya Shillong tengah kerpat lada don napdeng jongpi lapidon ki para basyong haka class 8 bat kumju ru ya kikmi kikpa dan akikun jongpi kisyong haka class 8 bapin lej ban apply na kaunta kikun ki jongpi teka khot online application ya ki eligible candidate ka kerteng jongka scholarship kadai national min coms scholarship NMMS ya ki khna ki basyong haka class 8 bapin yale ya ka examination mentaus 6 bat pinyo ya ka scholarship haka class 9 bat pide ban yo 100% haka class 8 ban yo ya ka scholarship haka class 9 aswa ban apply ya ka scholarship tepha ban qualify for exam bat ka exam kadai haka tai tarik kata kadai haka sing sejan bat ki question kidai multiple choice bat kin jet ars pa lai poingot ki khna state quota allocated by Ministry of Education New Delhi tikane kadai jongka kad central Kabadon Hapo New Delhi tingin page ki eligible student currently studying in class 8 academic session 2024 in state government aided by local body school only kitang ki khana ki basyong haka class 8 usnem arajar arpsau bat kin cha ki state government aided but local body school student should have scored at least 50% for the ST category mark in class 8 promotion pide banyo 100% haka class 8 haka final exam unang taki kena ki bapule haka Kendriya Vidhalayas Jawahar Navodaya Residential School run by the central state and government for student in private school kine kimla ban apply yaka neka scheme scholarship ka income jongki kimi kipa kamdai bantam meka lelak 100,000 the scholarship is provided to the students studying in class 9 in government aided and local body school which are renewed till class 12 subject to fulfillment of certain term and condition of the scheme teki khana ki bapule class 9 hakine ki school hakine ki government aided and local body school te kila banyo scholarship hadu ke class 12 the award must obtain a minimum of 60% mark in class 10 relaxable by 5% of ST category examination or equivalent examination for continuation of the scholarship at higher secondary stage pidai banyo 100% mark haka class 10 examination ndrei yaki ST SC category bat kiten kam tang 100% piten kam banyo bat banyo ban renew biang yaka scholarship hadu ka class 12 teki khana kinyo ka arajar ka sinap bat kumju hadu ka class 12 ka arajar bat pidai banyo 100% haka class 10 bat pinyo biang ban renew bat pinyo ka arajar haka sisnam man usnem pinyo hadu ka class 12 bat pidai ban apply online through NSP and MMS portal teki exam ban tho kidan early paper 1 mental ability test nai question kena pumak cispa per minute patu scholastic aptitude test comprising science social science and mathematics nai question nai pumak kapor kadai cispa per minute babdapin qualify pidai ban cross jakalai per persen chaneng yakine baro artli ki paper teki jington kam ban submit yak application artli ki pas-pasan haka school uniform report card class 7 nang ta ka ST certificate nang ta disability certificate lada pidan lada amdon nang kam pidai ban submit lang yakane ru income jong ki kimi pa bat kelas date kandai hadu art punyo tarik September ajar apsau teki application form ru pihak ban download dengan sabu ru poka description namar ki ban kam yaki signature laki school ki jong pi ban phasang ha principal lane headmaster bat kumta terter pidai ban submit haka office SDSEO nang ba ladai kapor ban tho ya ka exam te pinyo ya ka admit card tenda pila pas ya ka exam teki khana kiba pas ya ka exam tekinla ban apply ya ka scholarship arjar apsau te tang kini tip kebelah sibon